So what's up guys, Terrell here, and today I'm doing something spontaneous. I want to build a teleprompter. Yeah, I was watching this video on YouTube. I forgot what the user's name was. They made their own DIY teleprompter, and it's something that I've tried before, but now that I'm getting back into my videos, instead of trying to remember everything, trying to freelance, I want to try making videos with a teleprompter and see how that works out. So instead of ordering one for $166 plus a ton of shipping to where I'm at, we're gonna make one. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so I'm going to call this Mark 1. It's not completely finished, but it works. As you can see here, the writing goes up. It's very easy to read. And yeah, probably spray this black and make some adjustments, but this is how it looks. What do you think?